Hello, my name is Mr. Cousins and I'm the Curriculum Lead for Arts and Design. I'd like to introduce another of the many subjects that falls into my leadership, which is the NCFE Level 2 Technical Award in Graphic Design. This qualification has the same rating and is equivalent to a GCSE certification. As I said in the GCSE art presentation, students wishing to offer this subject require enthusiasm and passion for the subject. Students opting for this subject need to embrace all the opportunities given to them and will require dedication, commitment and independence both inside and outside of the classroom. Graphical communication is everywhere we look, from watching the television to walking the streets, shopping in our local supermarkets and even eating out at restaurants. Graphic design students require excellent drawing and communication skills in order to create concepts that the population can understand and need. The NCFE Level 2 Technical Award in Graphic Design allows students to develop key skills working with a range of physical and digital media, while exploring and developing graphical techniques. Your understanding of key concepts such as colour, line, composition, typography and imagery will develop through your resilience and aspiration of wanting to create workable concepts within your portfolio. I would like to hand you over to Mr. Jeffrey, who will explain more about the course requirements.
Thank you, Mr. Cousins. My name's Mr. Jeffrey. I am the course leader for graphic design. Graphic designers express their creativity every day. As well as picking colour palettes and choosing imagery and type, they also have to think outside the box to solve challenging briefs. If you're a creative type with a good eye for detail, graphic design gives you the opportunity to bring your ideas to life. Every industry needs effective visual communication and therefore good designers. Whether you choose to work with different types of clients or specialise in a particular field that appeals to you, the possibilities are endless. Students will develop an understanding of graphical design by working with physical and digital materials and techniques through experimental work. Students will examine the work of a recognised designer and use their understanding of design components and inspiration from the research to successfully create their own piece of graphical design. Students will analyse the requirements of a graphic design brief to further develop an idea and present their final graphic design, which will evaluate their work and review how they have met their brief. Students will explore working in the graphic design industry by looking at different ways to present the work to understand different types of portfolios. They will then design and create their own portfolio and review how this presents their skills as a graphic designer. Over the 2 years, students will complete 4 units of coursework: Introduction to Graphic Design, a Graphic Design Practice, Responding to a Graphic Design Brief, and a Graphic Design Portfolio. This is 50% of their final grade. The other 50% is a 10-hour invigilated assessment. The NCFE Level 2 pass is the equivalent of a 4/5 GCSE. Here are some links to look at in more detail at the specification of what work will be completed during their NCFE journey. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at the email address on this page. Thank you very much.